Why is water scarcity increasing? Is the next question that comes to the mind of every student. So, scarcity which is increasing, and the biggest factor is the increasing population. The population is increasing at a pace that it is not able to match with the water that is available. Well, the rising demand for growing crops, because lot of water goes into irrigation, and naturally we have to grow more crops in order to actually give food to the growing population. So, the population seems to be the pivot factor, the main factor, and rest of it attached to it. When the population is more, we need to grow more crops. When we need to grow more crops, we need more water for irrigation, which will lead to scarcity. Then increasing urbanization. People are moving from village to city life, and village to city life has definitely given a rise in the demand of water, because in the cities people lead a lifestyle wherein you need water almost double or more than that what is required in the rural areas. Then is the rising standards of the people. Now, you will wonder how rising standard of the people can lead to scarcity of water. If I just quote a small little example, this will make the picture very clear. Most of the houses which are rich and affluent use ROs these days, and when you use RO, you should look at the wastage that is done of the water for purifying it. Supposing, I am just giving an estimate, supposing 15 liters of water is purified by a RO, almost that much or little more than that is wasted. So, this rising standard is leading to scarcity, and one example that we have quoted is the usage of RO. Next is the increased use of wells and tube wells. When so much of water is extracted from underground, and which is the best method of getting water from underground is the wells and the tube wells. When you are using that, what are you doing? You are lowering the water table. Next is sanitation. Well, there is no other means which can help us in proper sanitation except water. So, the population has increased, the water which is required for sanitation has also increased. So, the main factor which remains is the population. Population needs to eat, population needs sanitation, it is moving towards urbanization, the rising standard of the people, and all these factors are contributing to the scarcity of water as such. I talk about the other aspects of water in the next clipping.